This is MTP number 72. And if you're watching Eurofill Shorts, you'll see this pink shirt because we had a bunch of questions for our Eurofill technique. But we're back to implants. And I don't know how many we've talked about size, loss of size, and how to maintain size, how to increase your size. You go back and watch them all, and you're going to hear a ton of stuff. But this guy specifically asks about how he's lost all these inches after his prostate cancer surgery. And he's not happy with his size, and he'd like to get another prosthesis down the road that's a little bigger. Could that happen? Okay, so really, once you've had an implant, you want to keep it. You want to never have to go back. Revision surgery is not. It's just not a good idea unless you have to. Infection rates go up. There's some very scary papers out by my colleagues at Mayo Clinic talking about, every time you get a revision, how much higher it goes. So I wouldn't focus on this second time around. The answer is, if it does fail and you have to have a revision, yes, you can upsize the implant all the time, because if you've watched MTP number 57, your penis is getting longer and fatter every time you do that exercise or every time that you have sex. So I don't know how well I emphasized it, but at MTP, the exercise that you do during with MTP number 57 is very efficacious in increasing length and girth. But there's nothing better than sex, and good, hard, fun sex to make your penis bigger. So this gentleman with his prostate cancer surgery, have more sex, do those exercises. The implant that you have, both implants have the ability to grow in length and girth. And really, they're similar in the way that they grow. So don't let any company tell you there's a difference. And just have fun with it. And hopefully, during this process of having fun, you're going to see some of your penis back. Have a good one, and I'll get rid of this pink shirt after this. Bye.